Folks, you know that moment when you find the perfect song for a video, but the vocals are fighting your voiceover, or you want to remix something, and the only instrumental you can find online sounds rough. Yeah, we've all been there. But recently I've been using a tool called EaseUS Vocal Remover. Honestly, my friends, it's one of the fastest ways I've found to split a track without installing anything. I'm Daniel, and in this video I'll show you what this tool does, how to get clean voice or instrumentals in seconds. We'll even build a quick song from scratch inside EaseUS first, so you can see the platform working on a real track end to end. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's break it down a little more clearly. EaseUS Vocal Remover is an AI-powered separation tool that runs straight in your browser. No downloads, no installs, no messing around with settings before you can even start. You simply upload the song or a video, and the intelligence analyzes the audio for you. Then it splits the mix into stems. In plain English, you can remove the voice to get a clean instrumental, or you can isolate the vocal into an a cappella you can use for remixes, edits, or practice. Guys, what surprised me the first time I tried it was how natural the separation sounded for a free online tool. A lot of removers leave that weird warbly underwater vibe behind, but here the results usually stay smooth and usable right away. And it's not only for music producers. If you are making YouTube videos, TikToks, or podcasts, you've probably needed cleaner audio fast at some point. This tool fits that workflow because it's quick and doesn't turn a simple task into a technical project. My friends, on top of the basic vocal and instrumental remover, this platform also includes a handful of extra AI audio tools. So it ends up feeling less like a one-trick remover and more like a small toolbox you can open whenever you need a fast audio fix or a fresh version of a track. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright, let me show you my real flow here, because with EaseUS I'm not starting from a finished song. I'm actually creating the track first on the same site, and then using that track to demonstrate vocal removal. First, I open Lyric Studio. This is where I generate the lyrics for my demo song, and all I need is a short prompt about what I want the track to be about. I type that in, choose pop as the style, pick a happy mood, and keep the language in English. Then I hit generate, and within a few seconds I get a full lyric draft I can use. Guys, once I've got the text, I switch over to the Music Generator tab. I go into advanced settings so I can shape the vibe a bit before generating anything. I keep the tempo range on medium, and I leave the key fill in major so the track stays bright. For style, I either pick a preset or just type pop, which is what I do here. Then I choose instruments, and I add guitar, because I want something clean and simple behind the voice. In the mood field, guys, I type determined to give it a little forward energy. For the vocal type, there are a few options, and I select nasal vocals for this demo. After that, I paste in the lyrics from Lyric Studio, add a quick title, and hit generate. Now mates, I just let it process for a couple of minutes. When it's done, the generator gives me two versions of the song. I listen to both, pick the one that feels better for the tutorial, and download that final track. At this point, I've got a complete song with vocals and instruments together. From there, friends, the voice removal part is super straightforward. I open the Vocal Remover tool, upload the exact audio file I just generated, and start separation. The AI works for a few seconds, and then I get two clean results back: vocals only and instrumental only. I preview both so you can hear the split, and the difference is really clear. So in one smooth flow, I write lyrics, generate a song, and then strip the vocals out of that same song. It's a neat way to show the whole ecosystem working together. and it makes the demo feel real instead of theoretical. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. EaseUS Vocal Remover is fast, beginner-friendly, runs in your browser, and gives you stems that are clean enough for real projects. Karaoke, cover practice, remixes, background music for videos, it just saves you time. And because it's online, you can do it on any computer without setting up a whole studio first. Guys, if you want to try it, the link is in the description and pinned comment. Have you tried vocal removers before? Tell me how they worked for you in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.